What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you on how to view all your backup photos and videos in Google Photos. Understanding how to access your backed up media can help you manage your storage and ensure that your important memories are safe and easily accessible. First is launch the Google Photos app on your mobile device or navigate to the Google Photos website on your computer. Ensure you are signed into your Google account that you use for backing up your photos. If you want to ensure that new photos are automatically backed up, go to the settings usually found in your profile icon. Tap on Google Photos settings, tap on Back, make sure that backup toggle is on, customize your backup preferences, such as choosing to backup over Wi-Fi or only using cellular data. To confirm that you back up your photos, just go to photos.google.com, and by following the steps, you can easily see and manage your backup photos in Google Photos. Remember to regularly check your backup status and organize your photos into albums for easier access. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.